Hey guys, let's bake banana bread together. Bake with us. Ngwanu, where do we start?
Okay, first.
We have oats. We are using oat flour to the base of fit farm. We're using oat flour. She know they do fit farm. I mean they do fit farm.
I know they.
But she go chop her. She not get stress. My friend drop that knife. We have banana. We use 2 banana.
And
this is what I use to measure the flour. So I not get measuring cup. So I use this one. I have 1.5 of this cup of flour. Let's start. Oats first. Why she mashed the banana. Then we have this thing, baking powder. I know some people they use baking soda, but now baking powder I get. If you are team, use what you have. I'm gonna my sister, please use it. We are using 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and this is it. I don't get measurement for it, but I use this amount of baking powder. Up next, we have nutmeg. Instead of cinnamon, people they use whatever you like. Use what you have.
I know who likes cinnamon for this.
I have cinnamon, but she no like cinnamon, so we are opting for nutmeg. Since now she wants banana bread, even though say I go still shop from inside.
No, we know they eat cinnamon for this house.
Up next is nutmeg. I'm using this amount of nutmeg. You don't need to too much. Mavis, wait. And we have salt. A little bit of salt. Let me do it. A little bit of salt. No, it's not yet time to mescolare.
Okay.
Mavis, crack this egg.
So what next?
And we are using 2 eggs. Come and crack the egg, Mavis. Take. Tell auntie to give you. And sugar. We need sugar as well. I'm not a professional baker. I'm just baking for myself, for my family.
You mean? Yeah.
Okay, we are using 3 of this spoon. 1, 3. God bless you. What do I know? 2.
According to the Mavis, you know nothing.
And 3. I don't feel like this 3 too much though.
You don't know nothing.
Hey, what next? Wet ingredients. Let's wait for our uncle to finish it. Meanwhile, we mix with this. Let's mix the dry ingredients together. Mavis is there.
Okay, so first thing first, we're gonna talk about how life is in Italy.
Oh yeah.
Living in Italy, how does it feel like?
Our eggs are ready. They are done. Some people don't chew. Oh yeah. Not just. What's the need, sir? What's the need first? More your turn inside here. Turn away my miss and finish.
Okay. You wash your hand.
You are done, Marvelo. Don't worry. Mavis, you are done. You don't need to whisk it.
Oh, you can put that you're done. Your part is finished. Okay. First thing first. Okay, I'll finish
Italy.
Living in Italy. Okay, to me, there's no difference between living in Italy and
My guy, difference there. We don't know now. There's no guy talk
no,
with that
see, I will name the difference really. There's a difference there, but the difference they're not really that it's not
up next our
a big deal.
Wet ingredients, Mavis, wait.
I don't know how you wanted to talk about story, they talk about wet ingredients.
And
I will make it now.
You can't which one do you want to make it now?
Wait, Mavis. And I have a little bit of olive oil. I used 5 spoons of this. Now oliver that they use. Now oliver is telling you talk now. Oliver. Oliver. Mavis, no, wait. Then we mix. Last, I'll put some more latte for this thing now.
for me is okay. Back to living in Italy and living in Nigeria. The difference between Italy and Nigeria. I would say Africa.
Put the
but
latte inside here.
I'm from Nigeria, so I only know about my country. Difference day, but the difference not so. It's not a big, not big. You understand? It's not the that kind of way kind of game.
Guy, difference. They don't have business. That kind of get.
The difference not
I
game
sumo
like
mix.
that. So the difference is just
Mavis.
for me, the lights, the good road,
Consistent lights.
Yeah,
Put that one consistent. Not with the lights.
the consistent electricity, yeah, the good road, then their schools, the good schools, and some of the school fees is affordable, and
Let me correct this notion. School is not free in abroad.
no,
Not let anybody
not
deceive
let them
you.
deceive you, not let them scam you.
School is not free.
School fees, school in abroad is not free. No school in abroad is free. So not let anybody lie to you say school for abroad is not free. They are lying. Okay. The educational system is good, top notch, and the good road. Okay, I don't measure good road. What again? Oh, help me. What again? The advantages.
The advantages of Nigeria.
No,
Health system.
of abroad.
The health system.
Thank you. The health system. Yeah, and secondly, I see some people they spread fake news say health hospital for abroad is free.
It's not free.
Alive.
Abuja free.
It's not free. Not let them lie to you because some of these people they are, will I say, they are jobless. They know they work, and secondly, when they go to the hospital, they probably don't ask for money or registration fee because everyone have a tax code, which is the
Codice fiscale.
Yeah, codice fiscale. No, Tesla sanitaria.
Yeah, that's true. It's
Health
got
insurance. So government, you see that government is paying for you. Is it is or are paying for you?
Anyone
collect the English. Is that government they pay for you or you paying for yourself because
through your tax payments.
So through your tax payments because as you dey work every month, your salary as before you enter your hand, government don't collect down the one collect, then give you the rest. So now you know what you want to use the rest to do. Why instead this the rest so they still collect tax from inside? Yeah, you go supermarket, you go buy something, they're gonna collect tax. They're gonna collect tax. You know why I know? I almost cried because that girl I don't get money. I don't buy something. I do buy something of €5 and this people collect €2, 50 something cents from my hand. I won't cry because I don't get money. You can imagine. And that's the I don't say yes, that they collect tax. Because to me, I feel like okay.
Put this latte inside fridge, my
And
face.
if I say that they collect tax, that is just it. And the advantage in Nigeria, you can have good food, the fresh food, no food for it, only food today now. Rice. You go eat rice, you go eat pando, you tire. You go eat rice, you go eat pando, and you go tire. Yes. So. Bear with me because this is my first time doing a video as an introvert. Okay, I thought they are.
You remember when we go buy something from market, we call it by yourself, they check receipts.
Good. I feel like no, this woman cheats me. I feel like she scans something 2 times. No. This woman scans something 2 times. No, it cannot be. I carry my bag, I come outside, I come begin to search, they calculate everything, they go through receipts. Because, oh boy, things are very, very expensive now. Normally, before, what do you spend? Money where you, give me a little, what do you go buy with,
€50 before.
€50 before. But now, you go spend like €100 to buy that, and you go still dey ask yourself,
what I buy?
You get that kind of thing. So yes.
Things are expensive everywhere.
Yeah, I know say things not really easy for people for Nigeria. Same with us, yeah. Things are not easy and to get a job safe they hard. To get a job here, you sweat.
Well, Mama,
I can talk but me I cannot talk now.
Okay, yeah.
Maybe we can leave that one for another day.
Mama,
Yeah. But talk about the job.
Basta 3 is okay, my guess.
The job hunting. Oh my god. You go job hunt, you go tire. You go job hunt, you go tire. So
Okay, let's put it inside
the
air fryer.
Air fryer because we're using air fryer. We're not
me.
our oven does smoke.
I'm a small.
Our oven does smoke.
Oh, you guys, yo. I actually thought I was recording the voice. I never knew that my kids are tempered with my mic or my phone. I don't even know what they tempered with. At this point, I was just talking and talking. Like, I was just talking and vibing. Never, I don't even know, say, guy, your mic need to work. See, yeah, when I did this video, first the way this pay me with my ball because, anyways, our banana bread share ready. You can tell that the kids love it. Like, see the way they are dragging it. Like, you know, kids don't lie. If it is not good, it is not good. If it's not satisfying to do, just tell you straight to your face, I don't like it. My kids, you can't force them to eat what they don't like. So they actually love this banana bread. That's why they are enjoying it. You can tell from the facial expression. Even though you know here the gist, what way they talk, but you can tell from the facial expression. You see this my girlfriend, she can select for Africa, but she loved it. I can tell from the way she was eating it. You know that this banana bread bangs. When I mean it bangs, guys, this thing pay me say no hear the background. Like, I feel like crying because because we were just vibing and talking. Like, the bread was so soft and moist. Oh, it pay me sure, but anyways, I can't delete this part of this video because this expression in our face is everything. It's everything the bread says. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking. And if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this particular bake with me and my friend, if you really enjoyed it, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Please give us a like if you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more of us on your screen, do where to leave it in the comment section. And trust me, I'll bring out more. Thank you for watching and thank you for clicking. Okay, guys, just a pay me. I won't just say let me leave it for you to listen, but there's no audio. This thing is actually audio-less. You can see do my girlfriend, she was actually enjoying it. Look, I don't bake. Like I said, I am not a professional baker. But trust me, when I bake, I don't bake rubbish. Thank you guys. I love you.